Susie here at Petite Kitchen. Today we're going to make a vegan, not really vegan, but a plant-based meal because we enjoy plant-based meal and they are very healthy for you. We're going to start out with what we're making is a mushroom and wild rice soup. And it's going to be thick, almost like a chowder. Okay, so we're going to start out with 4 cups of vegetable broth in our Dutch oven here. There we go. We're going to add thinly sliced carrots. About 3/4 of a cup will do. And thinly sliced shallots, white part only. Mushrooms, about 8 ounces of sliced mushroom. Make sure that they are thin sliced without the stems. Get rid of the stems. All right. Try not to slice your fingers. About half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of dried thyme, one tablespoon of white wine vinegar, we have wild rice, and we're going to put about 3/4 of a cup of wild rice in here. It's my 1/4 cup measure, so we're going to do that times 3. Two. Yeah. And mix that together. I have a 1/4 of a cup of almond flour and a 1/4 of a cup of oat flour. Now, I make my own. I use oatmeal and just run it through my trusty little blender. That's going to help our soup thicken up to chowder state. There's our soup, and we're going to let it simmer for about an hour and a half. Okay, and we're going to keep an eye on it, add a bit more water, maybe about to 1/2 cup as it cooks down, and we'll check back on this in about an hour. All right, thank you for watching. So it's been an hour and a half, and as you can see, we have nice creamy, thick wild rice and mushroom soup. There we go. Bon appetit.